Need editing app? Try CapCut now. Subscribe now and get 7 days of free pro. Just click link provided in the video description or the comment section. CapCut is an AI-powered, all-in-one creative platform that offers video editing and image design capabilities. It's available as a mobile app for both Android and iOS, a desktop app, and also featuring a web version, auto-detect language and auto-captions used in short videos to get more viewers' attention. There are many templates to choose from, designed for text caption.
Do it at your own risk, huwag niyong gagayahin kasi mahal ang printer, mahal din ang paggawa. So ito, babakasin natin, no? Usually ito nangyayari din. Ito po, experimental lang to ha. Yan, nangyayari yan, minsan nakaganon lang yan. Nakaganyan lang.